Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about top Python libraries used in data science. First is NumPy, numerical Python. NumPy is a library for the Python programming language, adding support for large multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with a large collection of high-level mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. Then we have Scipy, Scientific Python. Scipy is a free and open source Python library used for scientific computing and technical computing. Scipy contains modules for optimization, linear algebra, integration, interpolation, special functions, FFT, signal and image processing. Then we have stats models. Stats models is a Python package that allows users to explore data, estimate statistical models, and perform statistical tests. Then we are going to see the list of data manipulation and analysis libraries. In Python, we have Pandas, Python data analysis library. Pandas is a fast, powerful, flexible, and easy to use open source data analysis and manipulation tool built on top of the Python programming language visualization. Then we have Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a comprehensive library for creating statistic, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. Then we have Seaborn. Seaborn is a Python data visualization. Then we have scikit-learn, a machine learning library, simple and efficient tool for predictive data analysis. And then we have Keras. Keras is an open source software library that provides a Python interface for artificial neural networks. Keras acts as an interface for the TensorFlow library. TensorFlow TensorFlow is an end-to-end open source platform for machine learning. Then we have list of natural language processing NLP. NLTK Natural Language Toolkit. This is used for natural language processing NLP tasks. And we also have TextBlob. TextBlob is a Python library for processing textual data. It provides a simple API for diving into common natural language processing and NLP tasks. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.